Hiya, Bobby.
Hi, Ken.
You want to go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So I'm back with another video, and as Barbie fever is all over the social media, so how can I miss out, guys? And for me, every fever is about home decor. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys how I decorated this room in Barbie theme, and I'll try to mention the links in the description box below. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Now without further ado, let's start the video.
So this is the room. It's quite small. It's of 10 by 10 size. It has an almirah, and just opposite the almirah there is a door for the washroom. So I selected this queen size bed because I wanted both doors to open in the room. I got this bed from Sleep Company. And why Sleep Company? Because Sleep Company is India's leading comfort technology company and creator of the revolutionary smart grid mattresses. I have already shown their mattresses in my previous videos, and aim of the company is to offer the customers best sleeping experience, and for that they use science as well as ergonomics so that they can support the body in the best possible way. And I got myself this smart recliner bed, which is the most advanced bed intended to enhance both your sleep quality and daily comfort. You can utilize its various customized recline modes for sleeping, working and lounging. And guys, as an interior designer, I always look out for unique and elegant pieces that can elevate your space as well as add comfort to the space. And I have found just the perfect item to do that, the Elevate Denver leather frame. This stunning leather frame, it's perfect blend of modern design and timeless elegance. The craftsmanship is impeccable and the attention to detail is outstanding. Trust me, this bed frame instantly caught my eye. The smart recliner bed becomes the focal point of any bedroom space, and it's amazing actually how a single piece can transform the entire ambience. So it has various features. It has a feature of head recline. By reclining your head, you can recline and watch TV, read a book or work from your bed. It has massager as well, which helps you relax from the hectic day and help you relieve stress, ultimately giving you a peaceful sleep experience. I am personally a fan of its massager experience. I am just sitting over it and taking massage since I have received it. It has a foot recline as well. Raising your feet height from your sleeping surface helps jumpstart your body circulation and helps you recover from your daily fatigue. The zero gravity feature places your body in a neutral sleeping position with your legs raised and head tilted up. It supports your heart, spine, nervous system and makes it easy to fall and stay asleep. So guys, what you are waiting for? Get yourself this beautiful recliner bed. The link is in the description box below, and I found it quite reasonable given the facilities it provides. So the link as well as my coupon code, both are in the description box below. Go check it out. Then this window was quite dirty, so I pasted this leftover wallpaper from a previous makeover. So we just pasted this wallpaper over here. Because it's for Barbie room, so I am adding some white as well. So I'm using these net curtains. These are quite nice. I really like them. Then on this area, I want to create a canopy bed. So I'm using this mosquito net, and how I made canopy from a mosquito net, there is a video on my YouTube channel. I will give it the link. So we just hanged it over here and it looks so pretty. Previously also 2 bedroom makeovers I did with this canopy, which the viewers loved. So finally again I am using the same canopy, and then I just arranged the canopy around the bed. Then I placed a white side table on this side, and over that I placed this moon lamp. Then I placed this beautiful vase with these gorgeous flowers, so summery and perfect for the theme. I really like them. I recently got these from Shoppers Stop. Then I placed this beautiful plant. Again, this is from Shoppers Stop. Then I got this beautiful piece from an Instagram page. I will give the link in the description box below. She customized it for us for some makeover. Then I am using some LED lights over here. I wanted the lights to be on the corners of the canopy, so I just added these LED lights on the sides. and they're battery operated, so you can easily use them no matter if the electricity connection is nearby or not. Then I laid down this beautiful pink printed bed sheet, and over that these cushions with beautiful pink cushion covers. Though I loved this piece, but I thought it's not going with the theme overall, so I removed it and will use it in another makeover. Then I placed this beautiful white rack on this corner, and I am placing everything pink over it. Some makeup items, some books, some decor pieces. I wanted to be very girlish, so I placed some body butters, some perfumes, plants, books, love stories and decor pieces, everything very girly and in the same color theme. Then I added this beautiful golden mirror because obviously Barbie would do makeup, right? And then I hang this beautiful artificial plant in the macrame hanging. Then on this corner I added this palm plant in a jute basket. And over that I placed little bit of LED light as well. Then on the foot end of the bed I placed a beautiful floor runner, and I added a poof, pink poof. And on this area I thought I should add some paintings, so I'm adding this 3 set of paintings. I don't want it to cover the whole wall, so I'm just adding them on a corner. And on side of the washroom door I hang this beautiful golden mesh work, and over that I added some images, some colorful images which are very girly, and a girl thinks about healthy eating, exercise, so all those motivational pictures I have added, plus some of the cute little decor items like magnets.
Hiya, Bobby.
Hi, Ken.
You wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. I'm a blonde bimbo girl in a fantasy world. Dress me up, make it tight, I'm your dolly.
You're my doll, rock and roll. Feel the glamour and pink. Kiss me here, touch me there, hanky panky.
You can touch, you can play. If you say, I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Yeah.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Yeah.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Make me walk, make me talk, do whatever you please. I can act like a star, I can beg on my knees.
Come jump in, bimbo friend, let us do it again. Hit the town, fool around, let's go party.
You can touch, you can play. If you say,
So that was all for today, guys. My childhood dream come true, I think. I always wanted a Barbie room, and now I decorated one. I hope you like this room. Let me know in the comment section below how you like the decor and overall the products and the theme. I'll keep coming with more of such videos. Till then, bye.